Hello, my name's Angelo Balistreri, Customer Service and Product Training Manager here at Prier Products. Welcome to a PKn5. That's product knowledge in less than 5 minutes, where we take a deep dive into a particular item and give you not only the information but resources to help sell this item. That includes a spec sheet, an IOM, a sales flyer, even a 30-second commercial that can help promote this item. This PKn5 is focused on the best frost-proof commercial wall hydrant in the business, the C-634. Let's get to the product. The C-634 has several features and benefits that make it the best in the industry. Two of the most memorable is it installs in half the time and it provides twice the flow. So let's dive into those two. The first piece you'll notice on the C-634 is our flat back design. This is where the installation becomes a breeze. Most of the competition in the industry today has a dual casting system behind the wall. This is where your water transfer is going to take place. The 634 has water transfer here in the head. So this gives us the ability to have a flat back design, meaning you don't have to drill out a big 2x3 inch hole. You get it recessed, shim it from the back, try and get it plumb on the wall. We make things easy. In fact, it doesn't get easier than a template on every box. So the 634 box includes a template that you can put against the wall, horizontal or vertical, and you drill your hole, you slide your hydrant through, take the provided clamping ring, attach it from the inside, and tighten it down. Plumbers say it takes them half the time that it would to do the installation of our competition. You'll also notice that we use a Schedule 40 brass sleeve. This helps us with many different applications. First off, the clamping ring, we want to be able to tighten that down really tight. You're not going to have to worry about it rupturing a copper line. If something happens on the job site or in the plumber's truck, no issues. The 634 is gonna hold up. The installation side for inlets, we have multiple versions. You can get a 1 inch by 3/4 inch threaded. We have a 1 inch by 3/4 inch sweat. We even offer a Pro Press Ready model that has a 3 inch, 3/4 inch copper sticking out the back for you to press on. So installation doesn't get easier than the C-634. Let's talk about water flow. The industry standard for a commercial hose bib is around 8 or 9 gallons per minute at 25 psi. That's not bad, especially if you keep in mind that code only requires you to get 6 gallons per minute at 25 psi. The C-634 gives you about 16 gallons per minute at 25 psi. So nearly triple the code and double what most of our competition is putting out. This is a true commercial valve. A couple other things you're going to notice. We do have a vacuum breaker with code approval. This is an ASSE 1052 product. So you have a dual check system right here on the outside of the valve to make it very easy and serviceable. You simply unscrew that, swap out the components, you're good to go. There's also several different features that make this the best product in the market, such as never worrying about freezing if you left the hose attached. The C-634 has vent holes that allow the water to drain out even if the hose is connected. So frost proof is always the case with the 634, even if you forget to disconnect the hose. Of course, we have several different accessories that come with it. There are several different box options depending on the materials, but today we're focusing just on the 634 itself, and we are ready to give you all the things you need to sell this product. Now that's a lot of information coming at you, and you may ask, what am I doing with all this? We ask you to get this information and get it out to the masses. Take the resources provided in this PKn5, share it with the wholesalers, plumbers, engineers. Let's spread the word and sell some C-634s. Thank you for joining us on this PKn5.